We have planted the cuttings of Ficus benjamina. Is almost done. Few more stumps are there to plant. We have done the entire length of the outer wall. ಇದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಆಮಕ್ಕೆ ಬೇಕಲ್ಲವಾ ಬಿದ್ದೋಗಲ್ವಲ್ಲ ಸೇವಿಂಗ್ ಯಾಕೆ ಮಾಡಲಿಲ್ಲ ಸರ್ ಏನು ಇವತ್ತೇನಾಯಿತು ಶುಕ್ರವಾರ ಊಟ ಮಾಡಲ್ವಾ See, lengthwise we have done so that our guest rooms will have screen from the sound and noise pollution. Sorry, both are same. From the dust and sound. And we will also give live wall light. They would go almost up to 40 to 50 feet high easily. Eventually they can attain up to 70 feet high also. There the bamboo is there because of the shade. That area we have not planted. Till bamboo we have planted. So other side also along with our compound, Millingtonia or tree jasmine what we have at the moment. That is giving us a first layer. That is gone up to 60 feet easily. We have planted in 2007 or 8. 7 and 8, sorry. So that has taken the good cover. We have given the span of 7 to 9 meters space from our compound, and we built the compound inside to reduce the noise levels and to increase the privacy and to screen the dust, rather precipitate the dust. We have planted much ahead. We have planned for Ashoka trees, what you call. There are two varieties of Ashoka trees we have, Polyalthea longifolia, and this is called variety pendula. This is also Polyalthea is a generic name. Species is variety longifolia. This will give a spread of around say 10 to 15 feet, sorry, almost 20 feet, that means around 6 meters wide, and lengthwise it will shoot up to almost 100 feet. Whereas longifolia will take the around 1.5 to 2 meters. That will also go to 100 feet plus. So originally we have a buffer, we lost the buffer zone of around 7 to 9 meters. Therefore we have to manage with space what we have. The rain tree, magnificent rain tree, you could see. That's a huge one. It has taken 110 feet high and 100 feet radius. That means 200 feet peripheral zone. It has occupied the canopy of 200 feet perimeter. So in spite of this, the guest rooms, we can hear the traffic noise. So this is a additional plan we have done to prevent the noise levels and dust levels further. Attempting is our duty, and success would follow on every meticulous attempt. May not be 100%, but we will try to minimize the impact as much as possible. It is always better than having nothing. Let's attempt to do the best to the environment, which is we are not doing any favor to environment. In fact, we are doing favor to ourselves to preserve the environment. If we save the trees and vegetation, our life will be prolonged in a healthy manner. Otherwise, we will fall sick and suffer. Before we actually die, we die every day. That should not happen. So it is essential to have 80% of the greenery and 20% of civic amenities, because we are used for luxury.